How to remove the PIN password in Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can remove PIN password in Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Messenger application in your mobile device. From your chat page, navigate to the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down a bit and head towards Privacy and Safety. So if you want to remove the PIN that is for your end-to-end encryption, tap on end-to-end encrypted chats and then tap on the first option, Message Security. Now to remove your PIN for end-to-end encryption, scroll down, then tap on Turn off Secure Storage and then tap on Continue. And with that, now your PIN for end-to-end encryption has been removed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.